I'm here with Michael Stein, who is Senior Research and Director for Technology at RustSound. You've got something that's brand new. This is actually a world premiere. You're taking sound and putting it over normal electricity wire?
Correct, yes.
Okay, you got the little green ears and the antennas up there. Why don't you, because this technology has been used before for PCs, but you're doing something new and different and innovative with that. Why don't you explain that to our readers and viewers?
Sure. What we've done is we have a 6-zone audio system that is an add-on. It's an add-on product, an accessory to an existing 6-zone system that requires home-run wires. And this is a very beloved system. It's the #1 system in the marketplace, but it's very difficult to retrofit into a house. So what this product does, it's called the Avenue Hub. This adds on to our existing system and eliminates those long wire runs. Instead of running the audio and our controls over long wires in analog fashion, we digitize it, put it into an IP format, move that IP over a power line IP network, to another device that goes in the room.
Okay, we got another device. We can't show this to our readers and viewers, but back here there's another device, so we can actually do as many rooms as we want. In fact,
this system is currently limited to 6 zones, 6 rooms.
Okay.
And it does not only the audio, but also the controls. So on that other device, I can plug in a touch screen, I can plug in a keypad, or another user interface device, and actually be able to pick what I want to listen to, control the volume, control the bass and treble, and other aspects of the music. And it works exactly the same as our hardwired system, but eliminates those long wire runs by using that power wire that's already in your home.
So we just plug it in the wall and it works with the other box that's on the other side?
Correct.
This, to be very clear, this is audio. This is not video.
Correct. This is audio only at the moment.
Maybe you're going to have some more antennas for next year?
We are working on a variety of solutions for both audio and video in a retrofit home.
Okay, well, that's a little scoop. We'll be back to see you again next year. Michael, thank you very much for this quick demonstration, and we're looking forward to seeing you again soon.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bob.